Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to unlock PDF without a password. If you forgot the PDF password, how can you open the PDF file without a password? Don't worry, iSunshare PDF Password Genius is a reliable and professional PDF password recovery software that can recover your PDF open password with no damage to the data. Now open the software and click the Open button to import the encrypted PDF file. Okay, choose the recovery types. There are 4 password recovery types for you. You can use mask recovery type to perform the password recovery if you remember part of the password. Choose the mask option on the recovery type drop-down menu. Then set the mask for your password. After that, click the Start button. The password recovery process requires patience. Wait patiently until the password is recovered. Congratulations! The password is successfully recovered. If you have kept a password dictionary file, you can choose the dictionary type. Just click the Dictionary tab. Then click the button. Select Dictionary and add your dictionary file. Click the Start button and the software will test and find the right password for your PDF file if it exists on the dictionary file. If you know little about the PDF password, you can select Normal Type or Smart Type, but it will take a longer time to recover the password. Select the recovery type. To speed up the recovery process, you can provide the password details if possible. Then click the Start button. After that, let the software runs, and make sure your computer is on. That's all for the video.